Hello everybody, what is up? And today I got the review of the Gerber multitool. It has been a while since I got this tool, so I think it's a nice time for make a review. Well, this comes in a blister package, like you can see. It comes with a little survival guide, which this is really awesome. I am not gonna enter in detail. So if you wanna see it in another video, let me know. I will make a video. Sorry, I got a cold. And the multi-tool in soft. So first I'm gonna show the package. Not big deal. 10 tools. This got a needle nose pliers, wire cutters, fine edge knife, serrated knife, Phillips screwdriver, small flat driver, medium flat driver, lanyard ring, bottle opener, and twister. The lanyard ring, I don't think it would be considered like a tool, but I'm gonna give some specs. Close, it has like, I'm gonna hit the phone, can say, yeah, 11 centimeters. Close open with, let's say, close. It has 6 centimeters. Sorry. It has 6 centimeters, 6.5. Well, I'm gonna show the tools. Got pliers, normal pliers, not big deal. Maybe for some hair and that kind of stuff, it will be useful. Small flathead screwdriver, really nice. Really nice retention in the tools. And a big, can say, knife, really sharp. I'm not gonna do a cut test, but it's really sharp. Plain edge. I'm gonna do more pictures, at the end. Better quality. Here it has, this is something we are never seen. It's a Phillips head screwdriver, but it's flat. See, but it has the mark of a flat head. So, sorry, the mark of the Phillips head screwdriver. So I think you can consider this like a Phillips screwdriver. Here has a bottle opener and a flat head. This is really good material, except for the rusting resisting. It's not very good. You can see actually some parts are ready to rust. A serrated knife, really nice knife for bushcraft, really nice. Not big deal, but it works really well. And the pliers, just open it and snap there and there. Now, like you can see, has some points like that. That is rust. I have to try if I can take it off. I hope so. So it says Gerber and the mark beer of burgers. Here's a Gerber, and it's actually more rust than the other side. That has a right there, wire cutters, and a needle nose. Now, something I noticed is that if you can make a nice pressure, not too much, but a nice pressure, it will this part of the plier will move to a side and this to the other, and will hold a material and object very well. So that really sucks, because you want a multi-tool with pliers, you want a nice cup of plier. The overall looking is excellent, really nice. Here's a Gerber BG. Here's a serrated, and here's a play. Something really fancy, it's really nice. And overall, for an EDC multi-tool, is excellent. It's not too heavy, not too light, but it will make the show for you. I never tried, but I think you can take the scale off. You know, it has a screw. I never find a good option to do this. Like I said, this is something really bad, is the pliers and the rusting resistance. You want the multi-tool being resistant to everything, but this has really low rusting resistance. It's very rusty, you know, more than what I was expecting, but I don't know, it's a really good player, multi-tool overall. I don't know the price of this, so check the description box. I will put the price if I can find a place, but overall it's really nice, and I will recommend it, you know. So I'm gonna leave some pictures now. Sorry it took me so long. I actually didn't realize that I never uploaded a review on this multi-tool, and please, I maybe will not upload in a couple videos in a couple days because I'm really busy, but stay with me. That's it. Thank you to everybody for watching. Stay tuned for the next video in the next couple of days. Bye.